So we have a little tradition that Telugu cinema follows, and we thought we should bring it here along. And ladies and gentlemen, say hello to Swapna Dutt, the producer of the film. Awesome. All right, and that is a little surprise for you all. There is a new version of the trailer. Nagi has sit and right now cut and sent to us that we are going to get to watch. Phones down, no recordings. We just step out.
And before we play that, Rana sir, a question, chota sa. Hypothetically, if you were to play a character in this movie, in this blockbuster to be, वो किसका और कौन सा character होता? Talk to us about that.
I'd play Nagi's assistant because that's what I'm doing most times. I'd continue to do that. Or I'll play Mr. Ashwini-Dutt's assistant. So one of the two things I'm going to do.
Amazing, amazing. Give it up for them, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you guys.
Of course, the stellar cast and Rana for doing this. Sir, kindly be seated because we have a big surprise for all you people here. अच्छा, सबसे एक गुजारिश है ना, लकी मैस्कॉट साहब जो हमारे धूत हैं, उन्होंने तो बोल दिया यहाँ. मैं सबसे गुजारिश करूंगा, प्लीज अपने फोन्स की जो रिकॉर्डिंग है उसे बंद कर लीजिए, बिकॉज दिस इज ओनली फॉर योर आईज. ये एंजॉय कीजिए. कैमरास नीचे करेंगे हम लोग, तभी ये ट्रेलर चल पाएगा, बिकॉज दिस इज एक्सक्लूसिवली फॉर यू पीपल. ये किसी और के लिए नहीं है ना. See, look at the ladies doing, like working, talking about this, है ना. प्लीज कैमरास नीचे कर लेते हैं, रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर लेते हैं. एक बार फिर से प्लीज कैमरास नीचे कर लीजिए. Okay, I've just got to know this trailer, this unit's not going to be out for the next 2 days. ये सिर्फ आप सब के लिए है, because आप सब यहाँ पे आए हैं. जैसा मैंने कहा, नेशनल मीडिया यहाँ पर है. ये सिर्फ आप लोगों के लिए है. वापस से गुजारिश करूंगा, प्लीज. आई नो हम सब लाइव गए हुए हैं, बड़े सारे लोगों तक ये पहुंचा रहे हैं, है ना, सिने लवर्स तक. तो प्लीज पुट योर कैमरास डाउन. आपको देख रहा हूं, सीइंग यू जी. कैमरास नीचे कर लें, उसका लेंस ही नीचे कर लें. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड वी कांट प्ले इट अनलेस एंड अंटिल हम सब अपने कैमरास बंद कर लें या लेंस नीचे कर लें. का एक कदम करते करते मैं आपको कहां ले आया. वरुण, आई कांट डू एनीथिंग. सर, this starcast, the stellar starcast, this launch, the excitement, the exhilaration, what do you have to say, sir? और AA Films का लोगो जो बड़ा जरूरी होता है.
It's like a dream come true, the cast that we have. For me to be associated with a film like this, I'd like to thank Sir Ashwini for giving me this opportunity and having this faith in me. So thank you, sir, and I'm really obliged to distribute this film all India.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Anil Tadani sahab, ladies and gentlemen. And now, the moment that we all have been waiting for. एक बार वापस से सब पीछे, please. आज सबके लिए.
Hello, sir. So this is a little tradition we follow for all Telugu films before the release. Ashwini-Dutt garu, can I please have you on stage? Swapna and Priyanka, can I have you all on stage as well, please? Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 50th year of Vaijayanti Films. In 100 years of Indian cinema, this company has been around for 50 years. And now, Mr. Ashwini-Dutt has the first ticket to give out. And could I please call on stage Mr. Amitabh Bachchan to pick up the first ticket, please. now, since you get to watch private screenings very quickly, who are you going to give this ticket to?
I'd like to give it to my colleague, my dear friend, and my brother Kamal Hassan.
Oh! Thank you. Sir, here it is.
I'm on the clock, put me on top.
I wish this had happened about 4 or 5 decades ago, and he had given me the first show ticket of Sholay. I had to wait for 3 weeks to see that film. I hope there are many more fans who would wait those 3 weeks to see this film, like I did Sholay. And I never thought I'd be here to receive a first show ticket from Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. I was a film technician. Now I'm an actor. Nothing has changed. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd just like to say a few words about this wonderful gentleman. He's the owner of Vijayanti Films, along with his 2 daughters. And I have never met a more simple, humble human being than Ashwini sir. Every time we were on set, he's the first person to be there. He's at the airport to receive you. और जब कभी भी कोई ऐसा हम काम कर रहे हो जहाँ पर ऐसा लगे उनको कि ये इसको नहीं करना चाहिए, इतनी तकलीफ होगी, नहीं ये स्टंट मत करवाइए इनसे, अच्छा प्रिकॉशन लिया कि नहीं लिया. Nobody thinks like this. Thank you so much, sir. And with all due respect, sir, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. And that's the end of the evening. Enjoy Kalki. Thank you. Thank you to every single one of you all on stage. Thank you to everyone that have come.
It's time for
One last photo op moment. So I get to click a selfie with everybody. Swapna.
Oh, bring me up, I'm on the clock, put me on top, everybody drop.
Good.
Oh, bring me up, I'm on the clock, put me on top, everybody drop.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. See you in theaters on the 27th of June. And that's all we have for you is Sham Mein. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, Mr. Kamal Hassan, Prabhas sir, Deepika Padukone, Rana Daggubati, and Ashwini sir. Thank you so much.
Oh, bring me up, I'm on the clock, put me on top.